Save your sink with a balloon. This simple trick will save you time and money, and it will keep your faucet from needing replacement. All you need is one balloon to create a practical solution. First, take a plastic bottle and carefully cut off the end with a knife. You'll only need the cut-off part, so you can discard the rest of the bottle. Next, unscrew the cap and prepare a candle and a fork. Heat the fork over the candle flame, and once it's hot enough, use it to make small holes in the cap. Now screw the cap with the holes back onto the cut-off part of the bottle. Take a balloon and cut off its top about halfway. Put the balloon's cut end onto the prepared bottle piece. Once everything is set, attach it to the faucet. The water flowing through the holes in the cap will create a more diffused stream that reaches all corners of the sink. With this solution, your sink will be much easier to clean, and without the expensive faucet replacement, you can effectively rinse every corner of your sink and enjoy better functionality in your kitchen. This one spoonful will save your sink. You'll never call a plumber again. No more wasting money on chemical products. Don't poison yourself or the environment. Make a natural mixture that really works. Start by taking a lemon, cut it in half, and squeeze out the juice, ideally using a juicer. You'll need about half a cup. Citric acid is excellent at eliminating bacteria and neutralizing unpleasant odors. Add half a cup of dish soap. It dissolves grease and helps the mixture reach deep into the pipes. Then add 2 or 3 tablespoons of salt. Thanks to its abrasive properties, it removes built-up grime, limits bacterial growth, and further neutralizes smells. Mix everything until you get a thick consistency. This is important. The thicker the mixture, the longer it stays in the drain and the more effective it is. Now the key part. In the evening, pour 1 heaping tablespoon of baking soda into the sink. Immediately follow with the prepared mixture. Leave it overnight. In the morning, plug the sink, fill it with hot water, and after a moment, unplug it. The strong rush of water will flush away the dissolved dirt and bacteria. Done. A clean, odor-free, chemical-free sink. Natural, simple, and effective. I never thought that ordinary bubble wrap could help so much in the kitchen when I wrapped it around the sink pipe. It turned out to be a solution that solved all my problems. This clever idea was suggested to me by a plumber, and I'm convinced that few people know about this use of bubble wrap. A lot of grease and dirt build up in the sink pipes. When washing dishes, hot water melts the grease, but it cools down quickly inside the pipes, causing blockages and promoting the buildup of debris. Over time, clogs form and unpleasant odors appear, making it hard to use the kitchen. Only after using bubble wrap did I notice a significant improvement. You just need to wrap the pipe with bubble wrap, which acts as thermal insulation and keeps the water warmer for longer. This way, grease and dirt don't stick in the bends but flow freely down the drain. I tried this trick myself, and since then, I haven't had any problems with bad smells, even after pouring out greasy leftovers. I'm amazed that such a simple and cheap method really works. Put a plastic grocery bag into the sink. You won't have to call a plumber. Just a regular plastic bag, and the drain will be clear. If an unpleasant odor emanates from the sink and you hear gurgling in the pipes, apply this method as soon as possible. Remove the strainer from the sink. First, pour some dish soap. The soap removes grease that accumulates in the drain. There's always a lot of it in the kitchen sink. If you're using this method for the first time, pour quite a bit. There's definitely a lot of grease stuck to the walls of the pipes. Now we'll use a secret white powder. Pour about 4 tablespoons into the sink. Time for the third ingredient. It's vinegar. Just pour about 200 milliliters into the drain. Immediately, a reaction will occur between the vinegar and the white powder, and foam will quickly start to form. You probably already guessed that the white powder was baking soda. Now it's time to use the plastic bag trick. Take the bag and insert it into the drain. Try to plug the sink. You can press down on the bag with a bottle of vinegar or another liquid. If you've done it correctly, foam will also start to come out through that small hole. That's the air vent. When foam stops coming out, unplug the sink and see what happens. If foam starts coming out of the sink again, plug it again for a longer time. Usually, it takes about half an hour for the mixture to clean the sink. Only when everything starts to flow into the sink can you turn on hot water and flush the sink thoroughly. Hot water will remove all the residue that the soda, liquid, and vinegar broke down. If you take care of the sink like this once a month or every 2 months, you'll never have to call a plumber. It unclogs the sink and eliminates bad odor in just a few seconds. Pour it down the drain and it will be cleaner than ever. Take a glass and fill it halfway with dish soap. Pick your favorite scent and color. Then add 3 tablespoons of salt and mix well. Next, pour in some vinegar. The combination of salt and vinegar dissolves grease and buildup. Stir again. Now take a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of baking soda, and pour in some warm water to dissolve it. Mix carefully. Here comes the most important part. Pour the contents of the glass into the drain. The rough texture of salt helps scrub away deposits inside the pipes. Vinegar eliminates unpleasant odors, and dish soap removes grease. Then pour in the baking soda mixture. You'll see it foam immediately. Once the foam settles, rinse the sink with hot water. Finally, clean the sink to remove any leftovers. This is an effective and inexpensive way to unclog pipes. Eco-friendly and safe for your plumbing. A bad smell coming from the kitchen sink is a common issue. To get rid of food residue stuck in the pipes, start by removing the strainer and clearing out any visible waste. Then drop a dishwasher tablet into the drain. Boil water in a kettle and slowly pour it over the tablet to help it dissolve and flow into the pipes. You'll notice a clean scent almost immediately. Once the tablet is fully dissolved, wipe the drain with a sponge. It'll be clean, shiny, and your kitchen will smell fresh throughout. Drop these 3 tablets into the sink, and even a plumber will be surprised. The clog will dissolve faster than sugar in tea. Take 3 tablets and crush them into a fine powder. Thanks to the acetylsalicylic acid they contain, they help remove dirt and blockages. Ordinary aspirin combined with other products becomes a powerful grease and grime remover. Pour the powder directly into the drain. Now it's time for vinegar. Pour in 1 tablespoon and let them work together. Vinegar acts as a natural solvent. Finally, pour warm water and leave it for 30 minutes. During this time, the aspirin and vinegar will do all the work for you. They will soften grease, dissolve deposits, and unblock the flow. After 30 minutes, rinse everything with running water. The sink will regain full flow. No harsh chemicals and no need to call a specialist. Unpleasant odors disappear, and you can enjoy cleanliness and freshness. Safe for pipes and for you. This way, I saved a lot. Use a marker to mark the spot that sticks out above the edge. Heat a fork and use it to make small holes in the bottle. Then cut the bottle at the marked place. Now prepare a screw, heat it as well, and make a hole in the center of the plastic part. Twist the screw on with a nut. Place it in the sink and you're done. Don't spend more money on expensive strainers.